أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. I have been delivering certain lectures on Islam to understand logical and easy, simplest way certain um, certain uh, aspects of Islam in Urdu. So my friends here requested me that I should try to deliver the lectures in English as well, especially for those of my relatives and friends living abroad in United States or United Kingdom or anywhere in the world. So the idea was good because uh, it is not the right of only the Urdu speaking people, but all 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 those people who cannot easily understand Urdu or who cannot understand Urdu. Uh, so I am trying to start with my first lecture that I delivered, and it was about my introduction. So then we will proceed accordingly, and I am uh, now I want to now explain to you that I did my BSc honors, MSc chemical engineering in 1967 from the Institute of Chemical Engineering and Technology, University of the Punjab, Lahore. Then I did postgraduate diploma in industrial quality control from Nuffic, Netherlands in 1975. Thereafter, I served mostly the fertilizer and chemical industry for 44 years as a process engineer, as in the capacity of chief chemist, and as technical services manager. During my service, I had the opportunity to visit many countries abroad and to attend very serious meetings with the renowned engineering companies. I have also written a book on my experiences in the name of Experience Teaches, and wherein I have included all the mistakes and blunders that I myself or my friends or my colleagues and my organization uh, did. Those blunders and mistakes we learn from our experience, and we want to rectify and want to give our graduate engineers a chance to understand what happens beyond their normal curricular activities syllabus. So uh, I must tell that I am I don't know Arabic. I am a student of Arabic. I only had some translation given by my Wadi teacher in my village when I was in primary school. He taught me translation of a part of the first chapter of Quran. So I don't know Arabic. I am also not a scholar of Islam. I am a scientist. I by profession I am an engineer. So I I am like every simple Muslim who wishes to understand Quran and who tries to understand it from his own efforts. I have studied certain translations, certain descriptions by renowned scholars of Islam, and I am fond of reading books on critical topics concerning Islam. So I have somehow gathered some information which I wanted to uh, transmit, wanted to forward it to those young people who love to be a good Muslim and who want to practice Islam and understand the teachings of Islam in a logical manner. So I should, I am not a biased person. I welcome every sect of Islam or every other person, religious person in other religions. I welcome them always, and I have on many occasions when I was serving my various organizations and visiting abroad, I had the chance to discuss with them about Islam. So if I was a biased person, I could not have spoken to them. So I am really unbiased about my views, and I welcome the criticism, whatever people tell me about Islam. But I must say that I am biased to this extent that if someone uh, wants me to drag or disrespect my religious beliefs about Allah and our messenger, holy messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then of course I am biased. I do not allow people to disrespect Allah and disrespect the Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So to that extent, I am biased. Otherwise, I fully take the conversations in a very normal way. I know and I believe that people who are doing good, they will go to paradise, and people who are going against the orders of Allah, they will certainly go to hell. So this is my belief, and I try to logically understand the matter with the background knowledge of science and engineering. So this is the difference. Uh, Other religious scholars may not be good in engineering and science, and certainly engineering and science has some effects on understanding of a matter in reality. So with this background, I hope uh, uh, I can touch upon matters which are of interest to young generation and listeners of any age. Or, however, I must explain that I respect all the scholars, Sufia, Awliya Allah, Fuqaha, Muhaddisin, and Salaf Salihin. I have, I know they have been contributing a lot towards the understanding of Islam, and I must respect them. So this was something uh, about myself, and from onward, I will revert to the actual lectures which I have already delivered about Islam in Urdu. So that is for till that time. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.